Good morning, y'all. How are you doing today? Let me tell you what, it is slightly humid out there, and I just got in from a run a few minutes ago. If you saw my post yesterday, I run 2 or 3 days a week. That's my goal, and I like to get outside when I can. I can get up a better pace, and I'll stick with it longer too. But anyway, y'all, I am fighting high cholesterol right now. My weight is good, in a good spot, kind of my optimal range. But you've got to track your cholesterol as well as your blood pressure, blood sugar, all of those kind of things. You have other things to track besides just weight. But weight will make a big difference, okay? And if you're watching your cholesterol, you'll be eating healthier food, so that in turn will help all those other numbers as well. All right, so I'm going to share with you what I have on the mornings that I run to refuel, because you do need some nutrition after a run to replenish what has been taken out of your body, okay? So I do intermittent fasting on the days that I don't run. All right, here we go. And I've got a cup of water with a cup of ice in it. I'm gonna put that in first, okay? And then I kind of look around what's in my refrigerator, that I need to use up. Today I've got some pineapple, fresh pineapple. I love. Oh my gosh, it's the bomb. Fresh or frozen, that's my key. Don't go for the canned stuff, okay? Fresh or frozen, first off. Frozen will last a long time. Okay, I froze a few blueberries from the end of the season, had them in the fridge, was eating them fresh for a while, and then they got to where they were not really, as fresh as they needed to be, so I froze them. And so I'm gonna throw all of those in there. Good antioxidants, y'all. The pineapple will be a sweetener, and it's got a little bit of fiber, but it's more for the sweet because I don't really add anything sugary or anything like that. If I was going to add something, I'd add honey, okay? I'm going to put a handful of spinach in there. Again, my spinach, at the bottom of the bag before you get through eating it, kind of gets sort of wilty, so I'm reaching down there to the bottom of the bag, and if your spinach is getting leaky, then you can also freeze it. Okay, good little tip for you. Yeah, I love the freezer. All right, so next, I'm gonna add a few spices. I like to add cinnamon. That's for anti-inflammatory properties. I like to add a little ginger. Okay, also good for knocking down inflammation. Turmeric, or turmeric, however you say that. I say turmeric, but some people say turmeric. If you know the real way to say it, you can let me know. All right, flaxseed. Now, y'all, this will help reduce cholesterol. Think fiber, and cruciferous vegetables will help to reduce cholesterol as well. But ground flaxseed, which is so easy, I'm going to add that. And you can actually put this in baked goods if you're doing muffins or anything, which I don't really do very much anymore. You can put it in your spaghetti sauce, casseroles, put a little bit in there. Add some extra fiber and heart-healthy flaxseed to your diet every day. Find some ways to do that. Okay, I also have a complete protein powder that I add to that. This can make a really good meal replacement shake. If you're like waiting till lunch, you want to have a meal replacement shake, buy this and make your own. Don't pay $7 for a replacement shake when you can just make your own very easily, okay? And then I'm adding some collagen peptides to it. That renews all your tissues, outside, inside, helps with your joints, muscles, arteries, vein health, artery health. That's just super important to keep all those things in good shape. Okay, now y'all, I have this really cool Ninja blender, and it's also got a little chopper that comes with it. I love it. It has this little pod motorized pod thing that snaps on the top. And so, y'all, I've had this thing like, oh my gosh, about 7 years or something like that. It's still going strong. But I kind of have been looking to see what I'm going to replace it with. I love all the Ninja stuff, but I'm going to look to see what to replace it with, because I know at some point it's going to burn out. And they have this really cool one that has a food processor with it too. And I got rid of my big food processor a long time ago. So I might like just a smaller one that goes with the pod. And they also have some that go on a base. If you don't want to have to do the manual, you know, then you can get one that sits on a base. I've got my favorites listed on my link tree, okay, at the top. And so you can check that out after the video. But anyway, I'm going to say goodbye because I'm about to blend up my smoothie and drink it and put all these things back in my body that running takes out. Hopefully I got rid of a little cholesterol. I don't want to add that back though. Okay, so if you're interested in losing weight, lowering your cholesterol, blood sugar, blood pressure, any of that kind of stuff. If you're interested in living healthier, then follow me, like this post, comment, message me, whatever you want to do, and I'll get back with you with some information, okay? All right, bye everybody. Have a great day.